morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. This video is for Governor Soludo. Governor Soludo, I want to bring this video to your attention. Biko, if you're watching me, please, I would like you to share this video as you are joining. Biko, Governor Soludo, I will take this complaint, and it's a very heavy one. 2020, 2021, 22, I started fighting against the Dibia because I know they have deceived a lot of our youths. It's because of my condition now, Mary. People like us are not getting. All with the tools, the Dibia now complaining to the world. The Dibia may go our youth fair. Because Governor, I'm kneeling down to beg you. Please, please do not relent. Please, Governor, do not relent. Because please, make sure everything on equal come to reality. Because I will carry this assignment by myself. I need to revive it because I have done it before. So this movement must surely be revived. Because bring out people that will foresee this movement. And also Governor Soludo, another thing in because when the people Dibia na this blew up. And when the people usually deceive our youth. Number one is JPAC. JPAC used his platform to deceive many youths. JPAC usually had to convince youth that Akwokoko in social media. Akwokoko was not made until JPAC brought Akwokoko on this blue app. JPAC is the architect and the foundation of this calamity. JPAC also told us that Nande Dibia, majority of Nde Dibia, Oriela Kanono. So, you game na we choko shamepo. JPAC is the foundation. Ina chola Nde Dibia ga cho nde oputara ha nihu akwukwa. And another one is Okongu Dibia. They brought out and the Waga G called Wagara G. Many of them that brought this impunity, that brought this arrow, that brought this abomination to our youth and deceived thousands of youths as Kamoha in the name of Ogechi Okeke. Please, our governor, Gina Chulaha, na Chu Ndepubutarea, may ha the more popular than ever. JPAC is the problem. All young with the main problem because to Saran video akuru Governor Soludo. Governor, I have been an advocate of Nde Dibia, that they have been deceiving our youth. They've been using it as a source of income. People that knows me will attest to this. They will testify what I just said. I'm coming back with a bulldozer to continue that movement. Please, Governor Soludo, may you live long. State. It's quite unfortunate that Okennewi Newi Egano Uruha the thing I went to Newi a couple of weeks ago. I was ashamed. Ya know who the kind of situation on the video. I am with the billionaires. I am with the people. I passion it the can newi it the iheni na ejiwu ana damage things say kwechiri ndị newi ahakala ịkwaka aka nwurio ha iro ndị newi dịka ebe abụọ asụ ya wa nwere billionaires ebe ama today na Anambra State wona newi ịkpọ newi ashi iwo onye newi ana ekwu ya but their rules are terrible. But Governor Soludo, you have started to build that road from the Navy. Now I have to give it up to Ndozobro. I throw away salute for now. Big respect Big time respect to Bishop Ozuboro. Let me remember this guy. Abaranze and many other billionaires in Ozuboro. Go and look at Ozuboro. See how they are fixing it. Last week or 2 weeks ago that I went to Ozuboro. If it's not this situation, Akrami say video. Magumu. Anambara. Look at Ozuboro security. Very tight. Ndame on their road constantly. And we only na be distract. And you get pattern today na be make kidnapping na Ozuboro. Other possible. Go out, Chineke. Look at Ozuboro security. Very tight. Ndame on their road constantly. And we only na be distract. And you get pattern today na be make kidnapping na Ozuboro. Other possible. Go out, Chineke. I'm coming back for more opening eyes. Anambra Nujiego Newi, you should sit up. I went to Sumeni, my town. Come and see how people, individuals, are building roads. Go to Amici. People bring out their money to build roads. And then we become. Is it not about time you guys start doing the same? Go to go and see what they are doing. Kudos to all billionaires in Ozuboro. Man, I respect you guys. You won't do too much. And then we, my people, we need to do better. And I guys, you don't look at old houses. You got my name, we hear a name, Meggy. You hear a name, Meggy. But people, we actually, I'm a coming here, I'm a coming here, I'm a coming here, Onya Pina Newi. My dear, it's all about you don't make. Gamesian Bunu. And we put all these things I'm facing now. I can make a video. Video Zobro, video Sumeni Bani, video Opo, video Benato, video many places. I'm from Anambra. If you don't know, we need to open people's eyes. Far for if I'm neighbor, and then Navy is about time. That is DK Juno man. Because down. I'm not coming to Soludo, I'm not channel. But you guys should thank that man because Governor Peter Abata refused Governor Obialo refused because carry all their anger. Cool one down or your governors go measure bone. I know one then but I am happy to see what Ozubros are doing, what Osumeni are doing, what Amici are doing, what other part of Anambra State are doing. It's about time we do the needful. Thank you for joining.